Hello, put that there. Another kit built to another kit box to give a brief review on. I've built this before. Can't remember why I got rid of the original model. I think the legs might have been a bit squiff, but I bought it again because I like the red tails decals livery, and it's got good options for open canopy, flaps down, all that sort of thing. Anyway, it's your standard kit from Airfix, the new tool. Actually, they also do it. I built one did earlier. This is the option, the other boxing they do. So this is what it can be made into. I'm sure I've got the explanation of it, kit review, on another video. Alright, anyway, it's the same kit really, same tooling. This time we've got the lollipop red tails decals to enjoy. There's some stencil work, that's all good. Control panel. Not much to say really. You've seen that I've built them, and instructions nice and clear, multi-part instructions from Airfix as you'd expect. This time it's not at the stage where they put them in colour for different sections that have been done, but they do shade out the ones which are options. Single piece propeller, but there's decent amount of detail on the canopy and the interior, and you've got the gun sight and everything, and there's a nice page there to show that where the stencil detail goes. I'm a bit downbeat with this because I've built it already before, so I can't put surprise in my voice because that would be dishonest, wouldn't it? Because I can't say, oh look at this, I haven't noticed this before. Well yeah, I have noticed this before because that's the same kit. Alright, there we are. Okay, quickie review. So here's the kit itself, a softer Airfix plastic. This is always nice. I like to see the little bow support structure in the canopy. So rather than have to paint the side of the canopy, you put the clear part of the canopy, if I haven't said canopy too often, on top of the frame. Nice recessed details with some raised details where it would be expected. There you know, that's slightly raised riveting, but only because it should be there. And nice deep wheel wells, and the options for up or down is down flap, up flap, and different sides, I think. You get a little man if you want to put a little man in it. These are standard guys, probably been around for previous kits as well. I don't know who modelled it, but he's probably getting on a while now. Nice drop tanks, seats, all the details you'd want to have in a modern kit from Airfix. And 172, you know, you got the detail, that much detail in a 172 kit of the wheel wells, of the wheels themselves, the wheel hubs. That's good. See, I think that's good. They're the options for the flaps. Single piece through interior is the cockpit area. Then you've got the underneath part for the cooling system. I think it's all the cooling that goes underneath then, and then you got the areas under there then, see as well. And on this kit you've got a option to have the outflow door up or down. So there we are. So yeah, that's I've rebought the Red Tails lollipop version. It builds up similar to that. That's the one I did of their other release. There's the box art. So there we are. I'm going to have a string of Mustangs one day in the years to come. Alright, bye now.